Menopause is the time that marks the end of your menstrual cycle. It is diagnosed after you've gone 12 months without a menstrual period. Menopause can happen in your 40s or 50s, but the average age is 51 in the United States. Menopause is completely normal, which means every woman will experience it sometimes in their life. While the menopause itself has no effect at all at your health and well-being, except for you can't menstruate anymore and it's almost impossible to have babies again. However, the symptoms are the one that is going to affect your everyday life. There has been a lot of uncertainty among women who suffer from these agonizing symptoms, determining whether they are going to experience menopause or not. Here in the Healthy Universe, we are going to help you to be more certain about the problem. So if you are experiencing these symptoms, we suggest you to seek for help from your doctor. So what are the symptoms? Hey there healthy folks! Welcome to the Healthy Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you 10 signs that you are about to experience menopause. Number 1. Hot flashes. Sometimes intense feelings of heat that rushes to your face and upper body. Hot flashes can be really uncomfortable, but they usually only last a few minutes. They can happen a few times a day, a few times a week, or a few times a month. Number 2. Disturbed sleep. It can be extremely hard for women to fall asleep and stay asleep as they progress through menopause. This is mainly caused by insomnia and unstable mood and emotions, which will make nighttime a living nightmare. Number 3. Irregular period. Changes to the menstrual pattern are the first noticeable symptoms of menopause. Some women may experience a period every 2 or 3 weeks. Others will not menstruate for months at a time. Number 4. Night sweats. Night sweats are hot flashes that occur during sleep cycle and are called night sweats. Most women say their hot flashes do not last for more than a few minutes. However, studies have confirmed that moderate to severe night sweats and hot flashes may pose a problem for around 10 years. Number 5. Perimenopause. Perimenopause is a series of symptoms that could be going up to 10 until 12 years before you are experiencing a true menopause. As you can tell from the time period of perimenopause, no wonder the symptoms can really affect and even disturb someone's life. Perimenopause symptoms are: Number 1. Acne will start popping up on your face. Your skin will experience dryness, thus blocking the oil glands in your face, and acne will start popping up. Number 2. More sensitive skin. Even a slight of sunlight exposure will cause the skin to irritate. And also, use of dishwasher soap can also irritate the skin. Number 3. Digestive tract disorder. When you are experiencing perimenopause, every organ in your body will suffer from depletion, including your digestive tract. This will make you come across with digestive tract disorder. This would often cause flatulence after eating foods that contains oil and spicy foods which you might enjoy so much in your early days. These symptoms will also cause diarrhea after eating several foods, even foods that you regularly eat. Number 4. Urinary problems. These symptoms mainly affect your bladder, which can cause you urinary tract infections or dysuria. Dysuria will make you want to go to the toilet more often, followed by uncomfortableness when urinating. Number 5. Emotional changes. Women can experience depression and low mood during menopause. Hormonal changes can often trigger depressed feelings and mood swings. In many cases, these emotional symptoms also go hand in hand with sleep disturbance. Women may also experience low libido or sex drive as a result of these emotional changes. Number 6. Problem focusing and learning. Menopause can affect cognitive functions, such as concentration. Some women may also experience short-term memory problems and difficulty focusing for long periods. Number 7. Vaginal dryness. When you are still at your early 50s or late 40s, chances are you are still doing your sexual intercourse, and you might experience pain when doing it. This is due to the depletion and dryness of your vagina, which make it has no natural loops to ease the penetration, thus making it painful. This can be overcome by using gel. However, you might want to seek your doctor first and don't rush for over-the-counter product just yet. Number 8. Affect your sex drive. Dealing with the physical and emotional symptoms of menopause can make you feel less sexual desire. The symptoms can also affect your sleep and lower your energy, which might make you not so into sex. Vaginal dryness and decreased sensation can also feel like a turn off. It's also normal to feel a range of emotions, including anxiety, sadness, or loss while going through menopause. If you lose interest in sex during this time, it'll probably come back when your symptoms stop. And the last but not least, other symptoms of menopause include a buildup of fat in the abdomen, sometimes leading to overweight and obesity, hair loss and thinning hair, and breast shrinkage. Without treatment, symptoms usually taper off over a period of 2 to 5 years. However, symptoms can persist for longer. In some cases, vaginal dryness, itching, and discomfort can be chronic and eventually get worse without treatment, which is why seeking for professional help from your doctor is the best option you got in order to deal with the symptoms so it won't affect your life dramatically. I hope you found this video helpful, folks. Got any health or menopause related questions? Feel free to ask in the comment section below. So smack that like button and make sure you subscribe to the Healthy Universe for your weekly healthy tips and tricks. See you healthy, folks!